The mod function works on returning the remainder when a particular number is divided by a divisor. Let's now have a look at the examples below for better understanding. In the first example, we have divided 19 by 3. The remainder is calculated using the function is equal to mod a2 3. The result is stored in B2. We can also directly type is equal to mod 19 3 as it will give the same answer. Here, we have divided 18 by 3. The remainder is calculated using the function is equal to mod a3 3. The result is stored in B3. We can also directly type is equal to mod 18 3 as it will give the same answer. Similarly, here, we have divided 27 by 4. The remainder is 3 which is stored in B4.